Hi and welcome to the Music Production Handbook. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a mix template. So Pro Tools comes with a whole bunch of preset and pre-made templates, but I'm going to show you how to create your own. So the first thing I'm going to do is to name a project, just to set one up. So I'll call it mixing template and open it up. And the first thing, if I hold the command and the equals, I'll bring up the mixer page. Then Control M brings up the new window. From here I can create a new, so I'm going to just press 9. And then if after that I'll use then the command and the left and right arrow to change from mono to stereo. Then command up and down changes the track input. So once I've done that, command N again, and then apply. I'm going to apply 8 stereo VCAs. And after that I'm going to then apply a master fader. So using those key commands again. Once I've set that up, click create. And you can now see I've got all my tracks. Now what I need to do is then color them. So I'm going to press shift, click there, and then select. I'm going to select blue. And then do the same for the VCAs. I'm going to select a purple and a red for the master. Then I need to name them. So I'm going to click on the first one there and name it room. And then if I go command right once I've named it, I can then go to the next one and then name those and do the same for the VCA. So they're all named. And then I'm going to select submix for the channel. And then if I shift click on the channels and then press option shift and click and then submix, it'll then change all those so they're all the same as well. So little shortcuts and tricks. I can then apply reverbs if I wanted to, if I want to keep that in my template for room, and then do one for plate and stuff. Then I'm going to go to save as template. When I click on this, it will then give me the option if I go into category and create an added category. So I'm going to call it the MPH temp. And then from here, I'm going to call it mixing template. And I'm going to add what's in the template, just abbreviations. So you can see I've populated those and then click create. Once I've done that, I'm now going to close down this project and show you how to access it. So save. And now if I go file, create new, if I go to create from template now and open that and go, look, MPH templates, and there's my template, name it as a project. And then once that's opened, I'll then press Command I, where I can import the audio files and then get them to create a new track. So it's all set up. And then I'm all done. I'm ready to go. And then just apply whatever I need and route everything where I need to go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep your comments coming, and follow on the Facebook Music Production Handbook. Cheers.